As a general rule, contracts for personal services can't be assigned without a provision permitting assignment. But sometimes that depends on which party is doing the assigning, as a newscaster who tried to take his show on the road discovered in Evening News Association versus Peterson. Beginning in 1969, Gordon Peterson worked for Post-Newsweek Stations as a newscaster and anchorperson for Channel 9 in the District of Columbia. In 1977, Peterson and Post-Newsweek renewed Peterson's employment contract through 1980. Peterson's contract required him to render services as a news anchor and perform related tasks. Post-Newsweek was obligated to pay Peterson's salary and provide various benefits. The contract said nothing about whether it could be assigned, but it did contain an integration clause stating that the written agreement contained the entire understanding between the parties. In 1978, Post-Newsweek sold the television station to the Evening News Association. As part of the sale, Post-Newsweek assigned Peterson's contract to Evening News. Following the sale, Peterson's contractual duties and performance didn't change significantly. He continued to anchor the same news programs and received a similar number of special assignments. Evening News assumed Post-Newsweek's contractual duties and met all of its obligations to Peterson, continuing to pay his salary and benefits. In 1979, Peterson negotiated a deal with a competitor station in the same area and tendered his resignation to Evening News. Evening News sued Peterson in federal district court, seeking a declaration of rights and obligations under Peterson's employment contract and an injunction preventing Peterson's departure. Evening News asserted that Post-Newsweek's assignment of Peterson's employment contract was valid, and therefore the contract remained enforceable. Peterson argued that the contract wasn't assignable because it was for personal services and therefore couldn't be enforced. Following a bench trial, the district court issued its decision.